Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix Instagram Reels not uploading, so let's get right into it. Now, I myself am not having this issue. However, if you are, there are some tips and pointers that I can give you. Firstly, of course, make sure that your internet connection is not the problem. If you're on Wi-Fi, check with a speed test, then figure out if it's a problem with your service provider or with your device. If it's with your device, you can just restart your router and that should fix the issue. However, if that doesn't fix it, then you can go on to do other troubleshooting steps. Now, if it's your data that you're using, you can go into your account, go into settings and activity by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top right, scrolling down to your app and media, going into data usage and media quality, and make sure that upload at highest quality is disabled, since this might take a while to upload your videos, just to make sure that their quality is high enough. And if the videos themselves are also large, that is also going to slow the process down significantly. So make sure that this is disabled and the videos aren't too large. Alternatively, if you're trying to upload reels longer than the actual limit of the reels is, so for example, if I go into the editor, as you can see, you have 15 to 90 seconds to shoot a reel. However, if you add it from your gallery, I'm pretty sure it'll crop it down to the maximum of 90 seconds. However, if it exceeds this might also create problems because Instagram needs to crop it down to 90 and then make sure that the rest of the quality isn't impacted. If that doesn't work, you can go into your storage, go into Instagram, clear your cache, which corrupted cache data does tend to impact your quality on your app. You can also clear the data to reset Instagram to its primary state, or you can just completely reinstall it if you want to leave no crumbs behind. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.